See, under the decrease in supply, when there is decrease in supply, there will be a leftward shift in the supply curve. So the supply curve shifts to the left. So this is the new leftward shifted supply curve. We move to a new equilibrium from E to E1. Okay, done. And due to the fall in the supply of the foreign exchange reserve, the exchange rate is rising from OR to OR1. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Leftward shift due to decrease in supply. Due to decrease in supply, we are shifting to the new equilibrium, and thus the exchange rate is rising due to decrease in supply. See, to R1. So these are the two situations. Increase in demand for exchange reserve and decrease in supply of foreign exchange reserve is causing the exchange rate to rise up to R1 and is devaluing our domestic currency. That means now we have to pay more Indian money against $1. Okay. Now, what are the effects of this depreciation of domestic currency on the foreign trade? Till now we studied the reason for the depreciation of domestic currency and rise in the exchange rate. Now we will study what are the effects of this depreciation of the value of the domestic currency on the foreign trade. Okay. Now, under the effects of the devaluation of the domestic currency and if you say the opposite side will be appreciation of the foreign currency. So in this situation, what are the effects? Okay, when our currency gets devalued and in terms of that there is appreciation of the value of the foreign currency, that means now in terms of dollars more Indian rupees has to be paid. In terms of dollar, more Indian rupees has to be paid. Thus exports will be cheaper now. Exports will be cheaper now because as our currency got devalued, we have to pay more Indian rupees in term for $1. Similarly, if our currency is getting devalued, that means the foreign currency is getting appreciated. Means the value of the foreign currency has improved. Means now they have to pay less money if they buy goods from us. They have to pay less money in their currency if they have to buy goods from us. So thus exports will increase because when we are exporting, they are paying us, we are sending goods abroad. When they are paying us, their currency or the value of their currency has been appreciated. They have to pay less money in terms of their currency when they are buying goods from us, and thus exports will increase. Okay, in case when the domestic currency value has been devalued. Okay. Now, in case of imports will not be encouraged. Why? Why imports will not be encouraged? Because the value of our currency has been devalued, but that of foreign currency is appreciated. So when the value of our currency has been devalued, then if we buy goods from the foreign countries, we have to pay more in terms of more Indian rupees in terms of dollars. Okay, so more money we have to pay in terms of Indian rupees for $1. So that is not healthy for the economy, and thus imports gets discouraged when the value of the domestic currency falls down or it gets depreciated. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now we will go to the next point, that is appreciation of the domestic currency. Okay, so this we will be doing in the next video.